Hi guys, this is Poison Mavis, also called Crypto RX. Welcome to this tutorial where I show you how to use Discord with your mobile phone. So, first thing I want to show you is just the environment of Discord. So, firstly, let me show you how to first open your server. So a server is just like a community. What a community has on Discord is a server. You get? So a server is just like the community. Inside servers, there are channels. You understand? Channels are like group chats, different group chats, or different sections of the community. You get? So that's what channels are. So if you want to start your own, you go to this place that is showing plus. You click on it and you'll be asked create your own. You click on create my own. You ask whether it's for club or community or for your friends and family or something. You click on it and you name it, and once you're through, you click on create server and it's going to create. But before then, you can also upload a particular picture. Maybe you guys have a logo or something. You can also click here to upload it. This is just in case you're asked to create a server. That's just how you're going to go about it. So for mobile, you have to need an invite link. So when you click on the invite link, usually you'll be brought to like this page. So once you get here, you click on accept invites. As you can see here, accept invite. So click on it and let the next page load and open. So the next page has loaded. Make sure every time you try to read instructions. Here they say welcome to Signal Roll, blah blah blah. This is start of Signal Roll channel. If you react below this message, you get pinged roll, which means you'll be pinged on every signal, so you won't miss out. So you can react by clicking any of these things here. Any of these things, you can use it to react. So I'll click on love, and yeah, I've reacted. Usually sometimes there's some channels you're going to join, or some servers you're going to join, that when you join the server, you'll be asked to verify that you're a human being. There can be a verify button that you press, or maybe they can even write a post like this and ask you to react to the post. And if you react to it, then you are verified. You have access to other part of the server. So if you click on the hamburger icon at the top left, this place now are the list of servers that you have joined, while this other place is the present server that is opened. This present one we just joined. These are channels. All these things are channels from all these things. They're all channels from the server. So usually when you come, sometimes some servers used to have like all these rules and regulations. So it's important that you read their rules and regulations so you don't break their rules and regulations. So if they have rules and regulation channel, you see it in the channel section. So that's it. Let's go to maybe crypto news for an example. These are different crypto news in this place. So they are public and private servers, you get. So if you want to just send message to this particular channel of profit, you can just type your message like this and click on send, and it will send. If you want to tag one particular person in your message, you can just say at. See, the list of people here will come. You click on the person and you type the message. Mind you, this is not a private message. It won't send the person a private message. It will just send the person a message on the group. Everybody will see it, but the person, the person will know that, oh, this is the person you're talking to. Very similar to a WhatsApp group, if you want to talk to a particular person in the group, you can just use at. If you want to send a message like to, and you want everyone notified and all that, you can just click at everyone. Then you type your message, you get. Then once it's sent, it's going to notify everyone, like it shows that you're talking to like everyone or something. Yeah. So another important thing to know is, if you are tired of a particular server and you want to leave the server, you can just come here, click on the server, like long press on the server actually. As remember, I said this place is the server that you have joined. So long press on the server. For an example, this place will come out, this place now. So from here you click on more options, and you're going to see, scroll down, you're going to see leave server. Look at leave server here. You click on leave server and you would exit this particular server. So another very important thing to note is, you don't want to get notified every 2 minutes. Anybody that send message, you get notified. So you can control the notification that you get here by clicking long pressing, and also going to long pressing on the server and clicking on notifications. So here you see that I just joined the server and they showed, and by default all messages are open. So I want to change it to only mentions. If someone uses everyone or here or something, like, you can toggle these buttons, you can toggle the buttons to stop it and all that. So once you do whatever you want to do here, you just exit. Yes. So if you are in a particular channel, for an example, once you swipe to the left, you're going to see members of that particular channel. If you want to message anyone privately, you can just easily message them. Yes. So if you swipe to the right, towards the right, you're going to see the channels of that particular server, as I've said before. So I guess this is pretty much it. There's nothing so much to learn when it comes to what's it called, when it comes to Discord. So for you to master all these things, you have to practice. You have to, like, just come and be chatting, you get, and you're going to, like, find out a lot of things. So back to this place, for an example, if you want to go to a particular, the name of a particular channel in a particular server, you can come and click on this search button down here. At the middle here. Once you click on it, you just write the name of where you want to go to, and it will list it, and you will just go there straight, instead of you toggling through different servers and all those type of things. Then another thing again is the bottom right, this icon at the bottom right, if you click on it, you're going to be able to set your username. You can change your user profile, your account, all these account settings and all those type of things. From here you can even click on friend request. Who can send you friend requests? Server members, you can off it. If you want everyone, you can off everyone. Only friends or server members can send you friend requests. You can just toggle all of them off if you want, or so, you get. So that's it. Also, some servers actually have voice messaging. Like this one doesn't have, but some servers have voice messaging, and there's nothing much. You just click on the channel that has voice messaging activated, and your mic will be automatically on. You can easily turn it on or turn it off at any time. I hope this helps. A lot of energy is put into these videos, so don't forget to like and subscribe to support the family. Thank you.